Are you in the market for a 79 series? If so, stick around as my beloved 79 is up for sale. Listen up, as this special type of vehicle doesn't come around all that often. Yes, it's a 2008 model, but hang on, it's an automatic. You heard right, it's an auto, fitted with a 6-speed 200 series transmission, including automatic torque lock-up converter and also an extra large oil cooler. It was installed in November 2021 and has only done about 93,000 kilometres. Whilst we're on the topic, what do you reckon? Looks pretty schmick, eh? A new centre console, including its own computer readout. And another point of interest is that when I had the auto installed, it also included the cab being soundproofed and the back wall being carpeted. You can actually talk to the missus without yelling, so what a bonus that is. But my first impressions after having the update done was, what a complete game changer. It totally transformed the vehicle from truck-like to car-like. So moving right along, and whilst on the topic of special modifications, it's also had a Dana 60 heavy-duty rear diff fitted. The primary purpose was to widen the track to match the wheel track of the front, but as an added bonus, it also included a rear diff lock. This unit was installed October last year and has only done about 17,000 kilometres. But while we're in the cab, we've also got cruise control, tyre pressure management system, UHF radio, power extended mirrors, and the list goes on, and plus a tow ball camera. So anyway, let's go and take a peek under the bonnet. The most important item under the bonnet is the Patrol Doctor heavy duty 200 series airbox. 79's a notorious problem leaking dust from time to time. So it was a no-brainer, we had to do something about that. So I fitted the heavy-duty airbox coupled with the Safari Snorkel, and we have a watertight, airtight, dust-tight situation now, which is really good. We've also got the catch can, and pretty much that's about it. There is space for a winch down here, and I have actually got a winch which goes with the deal, but I've removed it just due to weight and towing restrictions. So yeah, let's move along to the canopy, eh? But I must say, before I move on, although the Speedo says that the vehicle's done 390,000 roughly, the engine's only travelled 232,000 due to a slight mishap that happened when the original engine had to be replaced at 158k. It's important to note that all the stats and figures that I'm giving you, I have the documentation here to validate, so don't worry about that. Finally, the vehicle's GVM was upgraded to 3,900 kilos and also has heavy-duty rear airbags fitted. So let's move along. Here you'll see I've fitted a complete one-piece platform which incorporates 3 drawers under one side and 3 drawers on the other side. This is the side that I affectionately call the kitchen. And over here we've got storage for food and cutlery, plenty of storage there. Another slide out for food, whatever you so desire. Slide out table. And of course, to complete the kitchen, we have a fully plumbed, complete 3-burner SMEV stove. And that's powered by 2 4.5 kilo gas bottles underneath the chassis there. So yeah, it's pretty complete. Oh, and I nearly forgot. We have a 40-litre water tank in here, stainless steel, which I dedicate to drinking water. And underneath we've got a 130-litre water tank, which I dedicate to showering and washing and different things like that. So there's a tap there for the drinking water. And there's one there for the other one, which is powered also by a pressure pump, as you can see. And there's also another tap at the rear, which can be hooked up to a shower or whatever you so like. Also, there's another gas outlet at the back, which can hook up to a hot water service, which I've got and I'm including in the actual sale too. So anyway, let's move along and see what the other side's like. Over on this side, as I said, we've got another 3 drawers, which are the same size as the other drawers, but you can use those for putting whatever you like in them, clothes, goods, tools. So you've got stacks of space there. The whole canopy itself is powered by an EnerDrive system. There's 200 amps of lithium battery. There's a 40 amp DC-DC charger. There's a 500 watt sine wave inverter, and that runs the van quite nicely. Also up the back, there's a 3/4 horsepower air compressor pumping up your tyres, and there's stacks of 12 volt sockets, USB sockets, and 240 volt sockets. So you won't run short of anything. And underneath here, we have a compartment for some tools, whatever you like to put in there. And also it's powered by 160 watts of solar from the roof, so you shouldn't run short of power anywhere. And finally, there's a huge trundle drawer out the back, giving you space to put whatever you like in it, all your miscellaneous items. So there you go. You've either got the perfect on-the-go camping four-wheel drive or the ultimate tow tug. Take your pick or use it for both. As you can see, no money has been spared on this vehicle, and in summary, yeah, sure, there's a few minor external cosmetic marks, but I can assure you there's no bog, never been in an accident, and no rust. It's been meticulously maintained and looked after by myself since the original date of purchase. A complete list of details you can check out in the description box below. And if you're interested in knowing more, please go to my Facebook page and private message me. Do yourself a favour, but make sure you test a standard manual 79 series before you come and check out mine. That way you'll really know the difference. Thanks for watching. Cheers.